Hi guys, so I am super excited. I just got an order in from HSN. It must be my craft day items. I did order, I think, the day before craft day, and it just got in now. So again, they came in from Tennessee, and if it's from, California, I get it like the next day, but we had to wait about a week, right, roughly. So I will link whatever I picked up here in the description box. Those would be affiliate links, which means I'll make a small commission for your purchase items to those links. Again, YouTube has a new thing, and with HSN even, you might see a little shopping bag here with their affiliate program, and it pops it up on the side, and it's super cute, and you can see some of the items there. But generally, most of my affiliate links will be in the description box if you guys are interested. I always keep like generic links there too, just if you pop over to, Tonic and there's no specific thing you're looking for, it'll still work as an affiliate link. So I appreciate that. Thank you so much, because I know people ask me that. They're like, oh, do I have to pick out that exact item or that kind of thing? But no, you can just use the generic one. That works just as well. My HSN one always goes to Today's Special. So if you use that generic one, it'll take you to the Today's Special, and then you can search from there. But that's just how I have it set up. What was I going to say? I don't even know if I can talk about this yet. I'm pretty sure it's a go, and I just got some information, and I'm like, can I start talking about it now? So there's going to be something coming up, hopefully on HSN very soon. You guys will see all about it. I promise you will see all about it from some different companies, but I will be doing something with them next week with Diamond Press, and so keep an ear out. I will definitely follow up for you guys, and it'll be a lot of fun, but I don't know that I can discuss too much more of it right now. So keep an eye out. That's all I'll say. Okay, so, and I would love for when you find out about it to support watching what I'm going to be doing, because I would really appreciate you guys being there, and I think it'll be a lot of fun. So, keep an eye out. All right. What do we have here? First thing, the heart kirigami dies. Yeah, so I kind of forgot about some of the things I ordered. In a week, so many things happen. I'm done, like my brain is already moved on. But I have been expecting this. Oh my goodness, you know what the big one in here is? The Anna Griffin shoe auto ship. Oh my gosh, you guys. That was a lot of fun chatting with you guys last week during craft day, and all the different comments about the shoes. Either you love them, you're like, I don't know. So I'm like, well, the shoes had some funny comments. So anyhow, these are, the kirigami dies. I have the basic set that has like the circle, the oval, and I think a square. So I had to get the hearts, You can use any paper for them, but she has some that are geared specifically for this kind of thing. Again, they are double-sided, so once you cut on one side, you're not going to see the opposite side. You're going to see whatever is underneath, like the two layers, right? So you don't really see the underside, so you just kind of have to choose it what you want, but you can use your own pattern paper, your own, whatever you want. So this will be fun and cute and something to play with very soon. Okay, I'm going to open these other things, and then we'll do the box last, guys. Sorry. I want to open it right now, but let's go with these things. Oh, romantic stickers and sentiments. When these come around every year, pretty much, I am grabbing them. So I have these guys. Let's open this up. I'm going to be careful. Why am I using a craft knife? Let's put that away. Let's just use scissors. Oh my goodness, you guys. I'm just excited right now, apparently. It's going to be a lot of fun. Oh my gosh. All right. Anna Griffin romantic stickers and sentiments. Like I said, let's open it up so you can have a look. I know Anna has said that these aren't meant to be like forever containers for your stuff, but like I have them lined up like this on my shelving, lots of shelving with things like this, and it's perfect. I read them. I think maybe she's referring to like after a while they wear out, or maybe this will come off, but I don't know. For me, they work real well all the time. And they are kind of tossed in here. I guess that's another thing you can think about. But Be My Valentine, lots of those. You have my heart, for my friend, love you. Some of these are, again, geared towards friendship, as well as, Be My Valentine, cute things like that. I'm sure Miranda thinks she's my Valentine every day, all the time. She's my little sweetie, and she will let you know that she's my little sweetie. She makes it very clear for everyone. So then we have these beautiful angels and hearts, and like a heart-shaped kind of wreath. These beautiful guys over here. What's in the back? Lots of cute stickers. These might be out of stock already, because I remember somebody mentioning, that they weren't able to get them, and I think they're gone. But again, a lot of times if you're not finding them in certain places, you might find this is really cute. On Anna's site itself. Beautiful hearts. Oh, look how pretty this one. I love the scales, but look at that. And they're like double layered up. Really pretty. Again, whenever I see them, I grab them. Same thing with like little snow people, but this year I didn't grab any more because I was like, okay, I already have like 3 or 4 sets of those, so I think we're good for a little while. Anna Griffin Simply Birthday Easel. Okay, so this is an auto ship that she came out with. I believe it's, right? Yeah, because before it was Simply, and I think those are done with. This is Simply Easel. So these will make an easel card, where the other ones were just like shaped cards, I guess. These are shaped and easels. You know, I had to get the auto ship, so that's what we're doing. Simply Birthday Easel Card Making Kit. I love the colorway already. The pinks, the sages, the purple. I mean, it's very Anna, of course. Let's open this guy up. Should have done this one towards the end too. Sorry. So I'll make a whole tutorial on these guys, but for now I just want to show you. Ooh, that's pretty. Yep, they're already there. So the die cut layer, you know, obviously the easel, the base card, your signature card, and then all the pretty stuff you're going to put on there. And let me see. Yeah, it has a lot going on as far as, you know, walking you through. It's kind of walking you through like if it was something you were going to die cut yourself. I remember back in the day it would be a kit like this plus the dies to make more. I would love that to happen again. I love collecting them with dies. So those are the pieces. I will definitely, like I said, do a whole tutorial on these. So just quickly, you know, there's like, it's kind of a gray color, that sagey, not sage, sorry, more of like an olive green, but very muted. Not quite chartreuse. Lavender, I see like a very light blue. I'm sure I'm skipping over some, and that beautiful pink. Again, we'll go more in depth with these later. The bows are already tied, which is great. I love that, as opposed to just kind of like the ribbon that sometimes is just in there. The signature cards, different shapes, colors. Your foam adhesive. These are the mid-size ones, so they're a little thicker. The topper, basically, you know, the one you put on here. So the shape, and then the easel part of it is this one. Very interesting. Let's look at this, because honestly I didn't even see the presentation. I just knew I was going to grab it, so I did. So handmade by is down here, and that's going to face down, so I guess you're going to turn this way. So where it's kind of rough cut is going to be facing towards the back, where the handmade by is. It almost looks like it was stamped. Look how delicate that is. And then over here we're going to rip that off, or take that off. No, we're not ripping anything. And then putting, you know, our top layer plus our lacy layer. That's cool. Very cool. And then so I'm assuming the whole auto ship on this is going to be easels of different styles, I hope. And then your envelopes, they're like cream colored. And in the back we have all our sentiments with tons of flowers, really pretty. I know I have these flowers somewhere else. I don't remember the name of the oh, maybe Carte Noire, huh? Some of these? I don't know. Anyhow, birthday greetings, sending birthday wishes, happy birthday, friend, happy birthday to you, all those things. And, oh, I will say, in the other ones, they are pre-stamped, right, with sentiments, and you can see these are not. So you have your, this guy. So that's really great, because honestly, you can use it for anything, right? Where the other ones on the inside already said something, and you're like, okay, it has to be for retirement, or it has to be, you know, for whatever it might be. So very, very good. I like that very much. Can you still see this? So I put this in this corner. I went back to my old camera, you guys. My new camera, yeah, it's great, and it's bells and whistles and all that, but I feel like it was very sensitive. Like, you can hear me inhale, like, very clearly. And I know some people had made comments about that, which is, it's a crisp mic. It picks up everything. But the vantage angle wasn't as wide as this one. And I thought this one had broken, to be honest, but it really was the SD cards I was using. They were like fried, and so it would make it do wonky things. And now she's perfect, and I have the right SD cards in there, which I knew that. I thought I traded out for newer ones, but I guess they were still like not so new. So I'm back to my old camera, and I like it better. So hopefully you're thinking the same. And also I moved things over, so like my whole workspace, everything's different. Again, gearing up for this opportunity that's coming up. So I hope you all will be there, and we will talk about it very soon, I'm sure, very, very soon. Anna Griffin Nearest and Dearest sticker bundle. Oh, this was interesting. I was kind of on the fence about these because it's very specific. So like, it says like, dear aunt, to my uncle, you know, that kind of thing. But you pop those in separately from the other sentiments. So let's see. Oh, you're still going to hear lots of paper and plastic sounds. Sorry. It doesn't cut out the sound that much, but there we go. So this one says Dearest Sticker Bundle, and then this is the Nearest and Dearest. So again, you know, always my sister, my sweet mom, to my grandpa. or grandfather, sorry. Teacher, I would say grandpa. So anyway, but it's there and it's, oh, sweetie, that's fun. Oh, I just said Miranda's my sweetie and she's gonna love that. And then those things are separate, right? So my best, you know, for my best, hello, for my, and then you have friend, aunt, son, another friend, mom, dad, mother, and they're all different words and different shapes or like colorways, right? Like daughter over here and daughter over here, friend. That's really cool, actually. Oh, I'm glad I grabbed those. And then this one is nearest and dearest, I believe. Same kind of stuff, just a little bit different. And these are big guys. So boss, that's cool. Mother, teacher. Oh, I love that. Aunt. And then, I mean, these are so pretty. Brother, sister, daughter, teacher again. And then, you know, the little pairings, I suppose. So for my, you know, I love you, my dearest, whatever it is, my favorite, my dearest, for my, to my. A lot of for my, to my, the best, my. Very cool. Oh my gosh, these are really cool. And the colors are all very different. I like the bright kind of pop of that pink too, so very pretty. Okay, guys. Let's check her out. You know, I had gone on an errand and then when I got back, this box was there and it's raining outside and everything, but the box was like under my overhang and anyway, which is fine. And then I realized, I'm like, oh, that's my craft day stuff. And I was like editing a different video and I'm like, no, stop editing. Let's go do this. So here I am doing this. I am super curious about these shoes. I, again, didn't see a presentation. I just saw that there was some images of like what's going to come up next. And I thought they were kind of funny, kind of cute. We will see. Let's get this guy open. It's something different. And, you know, Anna Griffin Finishing School Paper Shoes Craft Box includes cardstock, envelopes, stickers, sentiments, and cutting dies. And of course, when I open this, I think there's usually a code that I end up covering up later. Yeah, there's a code there for Finishing School. I probably will check out the Finishing School in this one. Why not? I have never done that before. I should probably use it, but I don't. Oh, my lighting is weird all of a sudden. Sorry, guys. It's like stormy and rainy and maybe this way. I don't know. But look at that. And then it has that curvature on the back here. And I'm assuming it can't be that high because, I mean, it'll get crushed. What I'm thinking in the first video I do for you guys with this one, can't even talk right now, is make a box. Like, this is on top of a box all day. Or a pair of them. A pair of them. Okay, well, we'll see. So anyway, I mean, the dies, you guys. Oh, I think that's really cool. I think it's really cool. I have high hopes for this. Next video you're going to see on this, or like from that I do, that's not already something that, you know, I'm working on with like Spellbinders or those kind of reviews, is going to be this, because I have to work with this. Have to do it. Oh my gosh, how cute. Okay, so let's open this up. Ribbon, again, just kind of in here. I usually take it out of here and I roll it up nicely because you don't want all these kinks in there. I'm not, you know, gonna iron it because I know some people would let me know I should iron it. I'm not gonna do that, but I will roll it up and it'll be fine. Oh, these are slimline also, I guess I should mention. So you have your cream colored envelopes. Let me see. I didn't count on the other one how many are in there. Excuse me. Oh my gosh. There's usually, I think, 12 in the Simply card making, right? I don't know, 2, 4, oh my gosh, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 envelopes. So I'm assuming you make 18 cards. The other one might have 18 too, but I don't think so. Well, maybe. I also got new glasses, guys. So I was like trying to adjust what I'm doing here so that I would look nice and not super shiny and reflective in this upcoming thing. So you'll see my new glasses. I might do some other videos before this thing coming up because I want to iron some things out and maybe you guys can help me out with that. So anyway, you are just my style. Wishing you a happy birthday. If the shoe fits, wear it. Time to click your heels. I mean, how cute. Oh my gosh. Adorable. Look at these pieces. Totally different. They're like jewels. This would be really fun to have just anyway. I wonder if they'll sell it separately. It has like this little like kind of closure, like a clasp, like a buckle here. Oh my gosh. Look at this piece. You can run like the ribbon through. You see that? Like, I forget what they call those, but anyway, just like a clasp or brooch kind of thing over here. Look at, oh my gosh. Silver and gold and all kinds of things, you guys. I know, I have high hopes because it's so different. I'm hoping it's going to be really cute. So we have these papers. Let's go ahead and tear that off. They are double-sided, so I'm just going to splay them out because we have a lot to go through, it looks like. And then I'll just show you the other side. Really pretty colorways. Looks like, I mean, these are really cool. The foiling, look how lovely those are. And then turn it over and we have our matte side. I love the sage there. Look how pretty, look at this one. What paper pack is that from, guys? Do you remember? That's gorgeous, I love it. It's actually on the back of the blue card. It's kind of like a gray blue. Very pretty. Hitting out of the park with that. Vellum. Now, before I say too much, let me smell this. I know, whenever I get Anna Griffin Vellum, it has a little scent to it that I usually let kind of air out. So it's kind of like paper, but not really a paper smell. But anyhow, beautiful sage and white. Oh, that's what they're showing you here. Look at that. Oh my gosh, you guys. I can't wait. Oh, look at this. Okay, anyway. Let's put this over here. Lots of gold sheets, which is really great. I can't have too much of that stuff. Always using that. The card bases. I was wondering, I'm like, oh, more cards. Like, yeah, the card bases. Silly. Okay. On the back, they say handmade by, of course. On the inside, it's time to celebrate in style. Okay, so this one does have wordings. Again, if you don't like what it says, you just can, cover it up with like a die or a die cut or something. Have a beautiful birthday. I mean, these are pretty everyday, so hope your birthday is as extraordinary as you are. We go perfectly together. Oh, that's sweet. Let's see. I'm head over heels for you. Let's see. So I think one of the other shoes is like wingtips or some other heel kind of looking shoes, or, what you would think is a heel or like a dressy shoe. Friends are like shoes. They should be appreciated and celebrated. That is really cute. Have a very happy birthday. So more birthday. That's the same. Happy birthday, Queen. Oh, I love that. Oh my gosh. You don't look a day over fabulous. So very many birthday kind of things in here. And then the dies. I know a lot of people were like, the FOMO, fear of missing out, but honestly, I just went with it because even though I was like, shoes, I don't know. I'm super happy to have this. Let me give you a quick measurement on this guy. If I have my ruler, here we go. Don't drop anything. It's almost 9 inches tall. The metal to metal, I say, is probably 8 3/4, a little taller than that. And then the width, the widest point is almost 3 inches. So, a very small machine could get this cut, but obviously we need the length. This is the bigger guy. That's the one I should be measuring for you guys. It's 3 3/4, and then obviously however tall, 4 1/2 or so. Oh my gosh. And then I'm sure we can make a rosette from this guy. Right? And then, okay, so obviously you have the shape of the shoe, you have this beautiful like topper piece, you have other pieces to kind of play with, you have some cute dies to make like little decorative elements, shadow pieces, the beautiful toppers. This guy is basically what makes this area, and they beveled it, so that's cool. So as you're using it, it goes small up to a little bit higher, and it is kind of tall, guys, so the height of this is almost 1/2 inch tall. Well, I mean, yeah, I would say it's right at 1/2 inch high in the highest part. So if that information suits you, there it is. And then we can open this guy up, and I mean, I love the little bows on the back or however they put that. Super cute. This part right here just does it, because can you imagine if I didn't have that? I actually had slippers that looked just like this. They were made out of leather, and you just like slip your feet in. Do you guys remember that? I think it was in the early 2000s that they were like in style. I hope I still have them. I find shoes in my closet that are like falling apart, and I'm like, oh, okay. Like 15 years old. But usually if they're leather, they're gonna be good. And those are completely leather. The sole is leather, the top, they look a lot like this. Anyway, maybe you guys remember those. Oh, this is showing you here to make shaped shoe or card, should I say, if you would like. Obviously putting it onto your card. That'd be kind of cute, because you can even put the card base and then have the shaped shoe on top, so you can still kind of open it. I wonder if this would get in the way. Anyway, just an idea. Cute. Like this one. Okay, guys. Well, I will get right to it as soon as I can on this one, because I need to. I absolutely need to have fun with that. Thanks for watching. I hope I can soon talk more about this stuff that's coming up, but I have a feeling you'll probably hear from HSN and other outlets before I say anything more. And yeah. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. I will see you all shortly. Have a great one. Again, the links will be in the description box, possibly in the little handbag there, or shopping bag, should I say. And I'll see you all at the next one. Bye now.